Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a food shop for you guys. It's from Sainsbury's. It's the first week of the summer holidays here in the UK. So 3 kids are at home and just continuously eating for some reason, which is amazing. So this is, Sainsbury's. It was £74. Sorry, we've got the new kitten. She's not new, we've had her like 3 weeks. But she's now been introduced properly to the boys and they're just continuous play fighting. So yeah, I thought I would show you what we've got. As I said, family of 5, kids at home. Just needed to update some things. Where's my Binksy boy? There he is. Yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe. Let's jump in. Start over here. And we've got grapes, strawberries, raspberries. These 2 will maybe last 2 days, possibly 3. I've got some butt wipes because Fox is starting to decide that he wants to poop on the toilet or the potty. Got some apples for the kids. I got these to have in the fridge for them, and you get free child places or free tickets. So I got 3 lots of them. They were £1 each. Golden syrup because we've just run out. We made flapjacks, which are amazing, but we've just completely used all of it. And then the kids wanted this for ice cream, which I hadn't seen, which I thought looked nice. And then maple syrup for porridges. I would have got proper maple syrup, but they didn't have any. Got some pastrami. Got Ben this, which looks disgusting, but he loves this stuff. Kids some ham, and then I got me my favourite ham. They now do it in a bigger pack, which is good, so that will last me like a week for sandwiches. We've got some sticky coconut rice for Aria to try because we're trying to get more variety into her diet because she only really eats bread. She doesn't eat potatoes or rice or pasta, so we're trying new things. We've got some cream to make some butter. We've got a mango that is like rocks. We've got to let that soft. We've got butter in case the butter doesn't work. Hummus for Mika. Got myself 2 of the jellies. I love these. We've got some curry rice that Aria's going to try today for her lunch. Which looks good. Really big cheese. Quavers for Fox. 3 lots of milk because we go through so much milk, it's ridiculous. Again, 3 lots of squash because now the kids are home. They'll go through, I don't know, 3 kids. They'll go through one of these every 3 days probably. So we make a really big jug up in the morning and then they drink that through the morning. Then we make them another really big jug up and we keep them in the fridge and they just help themselves. Got some potatoes, Golden Kings, never seen these before, so I thought we'll see what they're like. Bagels for lunches, bacon for bacon, lentil and potato soup. Got myself some of these because they were on offer. Got an avocado which is actually ripe, so I'm very intrigued to see what that is like on the inside. 2 peppers for Aria. Some bacon crispies, this is all the crap stuff over here. This is all for their snack drawer. Some mini chocolate fingers, some chocolate fingers, an iceberg, some carrots for the soup as well. Mika likes to just eat these raw as well. Some Smarties that Fox requested. Ice gems, slightly written for 85p each a bag, 6 packets, which the kids really love. Baby bells. I've got some like Angel Delight, but the cheap version. So chocolate, butterscotch and strawberry. There's Gary. I bought myself Slimming World magazine. Not following Slimming World. I just like to read the magazine for the recipes and stuff. I do calorie counting, not that. Kitchen roll, crisps and bread. Yeah, I've got no plan of a food, like a meal plan for the week, literally no idea. I'm going to put this away and then I'll sit down with the girls and have a chat and see what we can discuss and decide on, and then I'll come back and tell you later. My camera just died and Mika thought it was hilarious because I was just chuntering away and there was no one here. So yeah, lunches, we're having things like bagels and sandwiches and wraps. And what are we making tomorrow, Mika, for you and me to have for lunch?
Bacon and lentil soup.
Bacon and lentil soup. What are you humming about? So Ari eats a lot of bagels with pepperoni. We eat a lot of eggs, don't we, Mika?
Eggy.
We like omelettes and scrambled eggs and egg wraps, don't we? We love our egg wraps.
Yeah.
But yeah, we always tend to do something like bread based for lunch, and then for dinners we always try and eat together. Even if it is Ari eating something different to everyone else. Because you're trying new things, aren't you, Ari?
Yeah.
You tried your curry rice, but we didn't like that. Mummy didn't like that either. That was a bit gross.
Did Daddy like it?
He started to eat it, yeah. And then we've got a coconut rice to try, haven't we?
Yeah.
But if anyone has any suggestions of things that they think Ari might like to try, because you don't really like pasta, do you? Unless it's mixed with bolognese and parmesan.
Yeah.
She doesn't like gravies. She doesn't like sauces. You love a lentil curry, don't you?
Yeah.
She really likes curry flavours. Like, I made a chickpea curry recently, and she liked the sauce with that, and she likes to dunk like homemade flatbreads in it. You don't like potatoes, do you?
But it's crispy one.
You don't like unless they're really, really crunchy.
Yes.
You don't like rice unless it's mixed with chilli. You're just not very keen on meat, are you? You like mince and chicken, and that's about it.
And sausages.
And sausages. She likes sausages.
And moo cows.
But yeah, any suggestions of like easy dinners that the whole family can eat, that Ari can try, would be very much appreciated. Because she loves the curry, and me and her eat curry all the time. But
She doesn't like
has to be a dal, like with just lentils.
But I don't.
And poppadoms, yeah, but Mika doesn't.
Yeah.
And then Mika eats mostly everything else, don't you?
Yeah.
So
mostly mango.
you do love mango.
I don't.
You don't like mango, do
You
you?
said you too.
Who's that? Oh, that tasted like sherbet. Sherbet.
don't want to upset it.
Sherbet. Right, we're going to go and play a game.
Yeah.
And we'll smell you later.